What's up, Trini Taylor? It's your girl Maddie. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. So, the things that I got are, well, the main thing is nails supplies, and because we're quarantined and we can't go get our nails done and they need to be done. And I'll be posting a video of my mom doing my nails. So my first thing I'm going to show you, because it's like right here, are these nail gels. They're like really cute. You guys will see it more in the video where I'm going to be doing my nails. Well, my mom's going to be doing my nails, but I can't wait to use those. Then I have these. What are these called? Buffers and nail thing filers. This is what they look like. I don't know why we have a lot of them. You're only gonna need like 2. And yeah. Alright, so I opened everything already. I'm gonna try to like fix it up a little bit. But yesterday I opened everything up, but I never got the chance to take it all out because me and my mom was like, I should do an unboxing video. But I opened it up already. And this is a shout out video, but I'm here. Kelia Manicure and Makeup. Don't know who that is, but we got it from Amazon. And yes, you guys, we sprayed everything down before we used it. So I'm gonna open this, but this is what this is. And then you have this professional nail art. I don't know what this is. I never actually went in here. This is the top coat and the base coat. These will be used a lot. So, and then we have the lamp light for gel under here. This is what it looks like. And the plug for it is right here. My mom's cooking breakfast right now. Oh, and I just finished school. And then there's like a whole bunch of these. Like, I don't know what these are, but there's a lot of them. They're like poly extension gel. That's gonna be for my mom. Same thing, poly extension gel. Put those over there. So let's see what's in here. And I'm still gonna use this box because we don't got nowhere to put it. And it's cute, it's rose gold and black. We got this. What do you put in here? What do you put in here? This?
Alcohol, I think. I think alcohol.
This is alcohol. And then we have a poly extension gel again. But it's like more like a, I don't know what to call it. Like a bottle. Because those are like sample conditioner bottles. That's what they look like to me. Don't it? Like the ones you get from the hotel, which I don't use. Comment down below if you use hotel shampoo when you go to the hotel. I don't. We bring our own shampoo and conditioner when we go on vacation. Oh, shoot!
Don't put it in your mouth.
I'm smelling it.
Don't open it.
I didn't mean to. Some poly extension gel. Does it make your nails longer?
I don't know what that is yet.
I can't take it off. These are the extensions.
They're polygel form.
Polygel, where it's like you literally put the polygel inside. I'm gonna watch the video. This is too big for me anyway. Yeah, you put it in and then you just like put it on your nail and let it sit.
All right, thank you.
Put it under the light and then take it off and then you shake and then stick it down.
Sure.
Why does it look like that?
I didn't spread it.
You need a shred.
What did he say? Stop taking those?
No, he said it's fine.
Fix my thumb.
What is this?
I have really small fingers.
On the phone.
Yeah, I'm making a video.
What is this? Start up.
Gonna put that.
Yeah, that's why you tried to throw them away.
This is what they look like. So
Yeah,
you put the gel on, and then you put it on your finger. You let it sit, and this is what it would turn out. So yeah. And then we got the toe thingy or the nail.
How old are you?
Basically puts on toes usually. And then we have, I think it's a brush. Yeah, I saw this on YouTube the other day.
How you doing?
For curling, I believe. So, really cute. It looks like a pen. What is this? What is this?
Maddie, I don't know. It's to help you push your, let me see.
Your cuticle? Oh, this cute. No, it's not for not for guys, comment down below if you guys know what this is. I don't know what that is. Then
From him yet?
we have a straightness steel tweezers. I think you like pluck your cuticles with this. Like dead thingies. They gave us some more filers and another one. This is like softer, like a buffer. And then we have a cuticle. I was gonna ask you to get this yesterday too, a cuticle oil. Because I was watching a video and it was like you had to put this after you do gel.
Oh, got cuticle oil?
Yeah.
Good. I was hoping that.
This is actually cute, look.
Oh, that is.
I wanna open it. No, I don't know if it's gonna go everywhere, so I'm not gonna open it. You guys will see everything when I do the nails. And then we have a little brush. It's still, it's not coming up. Okay, so like this is like the dust when you like after you file all the nails and you have not that jelly. Oh no, that's not my plate. And then you like brush all the dust off. I'm gonna put this back on just so it doesn't get dirty. If it will come back. Mama, don't come in my video. Then we have professional nail cleanser. Then we have, what are these? Guys, comment down below. You know what these are.
Did you see this?
Mommy, have you ever seen anyone at the nail salon use it before?
No, but I'm sure once we read the directions, they'll figure it out.
It comes with a lot of these circles. Please don't turn on the TV. Oh, she's going back upstairs. Bye, Mama. And then we have glitter. These will be used. So. And then we have a nail clip. What is this gonna do? This small thing. Look what they gave us. This is this time. Well, we
That's actually an alpha, but we'll use it for toenail.
we use a toenail.
Maybe we can
What is this? Nail remover. They gave us nail remover. That was everything in here. Now, I don't know. Do not know why my mom got this. She is not wearing acrylic, but she got this. Oh wait, this is gonna be for the gel. Hold on, let me eat my breakfast. Can I have syrup, please? Can I have syrup, please? Comment down below if you like syrup or your eggs. I can't in a video. It's good. Try it. Mommy! Some brushes. Then we got the polish. I probably don't y'all need polish. Gel polish. Once we moved, we threw away all the polish. So we got gel. You guys can't really see the colors, but you guys should just pause the video so you guys can see all the colors. I think you guys, I'm going to use this color. I don't know yet. There's like not really a lot of light colors. That's it for this. Like, comment down below, and subscribe down there. I think it's on this side, on this side. Wait, facing this side, facing this side. Probably on this side, probably on that side. But, yeah. But, see you guys later. Peace.